Your shipping desk is moving fast. The last thing you need is a full pack and verify process for a single box order that just needs a label. Quick Label in Dynamic Ship for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central skips carton-level packing entirely. State the number of boxes, capture the weight from a connected scale or key it in, and print a carrier-compliant shipping label in seconds, right from the sales order, order packaging, or the package worksheet. Not sure which carrier to use? Leave the carrier blank and Dynamic Ship rate shops live across your configured carriers without leaving Business Central. Name a carrier and service and go straight to printing. Shipping clerks and floor shippers use Quick Label for the steady stream of straightforward domestic parcels. The full package worksheet stays available for orders that need serial, lot, or package level detail. To get started, reach out to your Microsoft partner.